Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition on the Secret Life of a Navy Wife. It has been a little bit since the video. Life got kind of crazy. I did want to record our trip. Oh my god, my hair. So I did want to record our trip when we went to the zoo, but it was a lot for us to handle that day, so I didn't. But instead of a homeschooling type video, I am bringing to you an unboxing of this Influenster Voxbox that I got. I haven't even opened it yet, so we're both in for a surprise. Okay, this is their Staycation box, and it's got everything listed on the back. So if you guys don't know, Influenster is a company that sends you free products, whether they are sample sizes or full sizes for you to review and try out. I will have a link down below for you guys to sign up. It's completely free. When they are choosing you to get their box, they send out a survey and you fill out the survey. And then if you meet the requirements, you get the box. You don't always get a box, so just fair warning, you don't always get a box. Alright, so there is something from Eva NYC. I love Eva NYC. I used to have a face mask, or sorry, a hair mask from them. But it says that I can get 2 full-size products for $10 of their main 10-in-1 primer, which is a multitasking leave-in conditioner for all hair types from Costco. I'm gonna have to save that because I go to Costco a lot. And then we have tissue paper. Alright, so the first thing that is on top is this African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Jelly Moisturizer. This is face moisturizer. I'm assuming anything with activated charcoal in it is a face moisturizer. And they're just 2 small little sample packs. It says this gel moisturizer with clarifying African black soap and bamboo charcoal dries invisibly to provide ultralight hydration while helping to balance oily, blemish-prone skin. Cooling aloe soothes and nourishes, leaving skin feeling hydrated, smooth, and refreshed. After cleansing and toning, apply to face and neck with an upward motion. Cool. So you leave this on. That's pretty neat. Definitely gonna have to do a full review on that. And then I ended up with a travel size, which is also like their trial size, of the Crest Gum and Enamel Repair Intensive Clean Toothpaste. And then I already know that this is going to make me really sad. These are the Impress Press-On Manicure No Glue Needed Nails. So why this is going to make me sad automatically is these don't fit my nails. They are too thin this way that they just don't fit. It's going to make me really sad because these are super pretty. We'll have to see because I really want to try these. The next thing in here, oh cool, I have a little sample of the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. So I have a little sample of that. And then the final thing, the final thing is the Completely Bare Moisturizing No Bump Shave Gel for legs, bikini, and underarm in Shower Fresh scent. What is Shower Fresh? Like, it just smells like soap. So is that their version of Sour Fresh? It's just soap. But this is the little tube that I got, and I don't know why I'm reading all these things. On the back of the Staycation card, it does tell you what each thing is. So, where to go? This says the completely smooth not only gives you an incredibly close shave, but also keeps ingrown hair and bumps at bay. This retails for $4.99. I'm guessing it's for this size. It doesn't say what size, but this is $4.99. And then I got the 2 samples of the Black African soap. I guess a full-size bottle of this retails for $13. For 6 ounces, this is 1 ounce. So for 6 ounces of the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer, it is $11.99. So this would bring it to $2 for this little ounce. The Impress nails are $7.99, which again, these make me sad because these don't ever fit me. I had a pair that I loved absolutely 100% and they didn't fit me at all, and it made me very, very sad. And then a full size of the Crest toothpaste is $6.99. So yeah, that's basically everything that I got. I will be doing a full-on review on a lot of this stuff. I'm really honestly excited that I can get the NYC 2 full-size products for $10 at Costco. That makes me excited. Wonder if it's always at Costco or if I have to go during these dates to get it at that price. But I think I'm going to Ida White because I like leave-in conditioners. Because my hair, since I color and bleach it a lot, it does tend to fray and break a little bit more. And with all my medical issues, it does make it a little bleh. So here's hoping it works. I will do a review on everything. So be sure to click the subscribe button, which is down here somewhere. It's a little red box. If it's not red, it means you're subscribed. Click the bell so it goes ding in your inbox every time we post. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.